Hello. Yes, indeed I did make a short film about my MacBook Pro unboxing. I just thought it'd be fun because my old MacBook was 7 years old and it was way due for an upgrade. Yeah, so I recently ordered this one, the new one, and I'm super excited about it because I love tech and stuff, so when I got this new one, I was so excited, so I just decided to make a short film. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this kind of content, I did make a short film about my great-grandmother called Tai Tai. I will link it up here. It's sort of like another short film I made, so if you like this one, maybe you'll like that one, so you could give it a watch. Also, I just want to say in my previous YouTube video, I actually did mention at the end of it that we were trying to hit 50 subscribers, and we absolutely destroyed that number. I think I have 65 subscribers now, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. Like, thank you to the 65 of you, because it really means a lot that 65 people actually want to be watching my videos, so super appreciative of all the support, all the likes and comments and views. Our next target is 100 subscribers. Big shout out to my man Stevie. He was my 50th subscriber, and Stevie, if you're watching this is a shout out to you, man. Thank you so much for the support. Yep, so if you liked this video, please give it a like. If you have anything to ask me or you just want to chat with me, like, you know, drop a comment down below. I love replying to all the comments. Yeah, and like I said, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing, mate? Just subscribe. I mean, if you want to, if you like this kind of, if you like my YouTube. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, boys.